Hi everybody, Sandy here, and I have a video of a sub box unboxing. So it's from dekdesigns, and this is my January box. It says "Let's Party" on the front. Inside, it's got all the black crinkle paper there, and then your little message. I'll let you read it. And I'll read it next. Happy New Year. May 2020 be filled with love and joy. Love, Dawn, Emily, and Katie. So, very nice. I save all the crinkle paper. I put it in a little baggie, and then I keep it for doing presents and stuff like that myself. All right, let's start with the goodies that they have in here. I have a big old handful of Rolos, a couple more in there. We have a couple little Let's Party. I'm going to assume these are little mints. And that's a very interesting sucker. The color on it's interesting. Does it say the flavor? Twisty Lollipop. That's all I can see. That'll be an experiment to try there. All right, I think that's all the food. Oh, there's a couple more to do with those. Scattered throughout the box are little 2020 confettis. And in here, it's a little black puff ball. And this looks like it's a dangle / keychain. Very cute. Look at that, the pearls on there and the gold, and it's this clasp just like that. Very soft gray. That'll go great. I'm gonna have to hold that up to my purse that I've got to switch over into. I am gonna put that back in the bag to keep it nice until I'm ready to use it. Then we have a couple paper clips. And let's pull them out here. Alright, so this one right here, it's got a jewel on it, and this is velvet. So pretty. And then the little one that came with it, let's see if I can get it off of here. Yep. It's kind of a teardropped clip, and then it's got these little dangles on it. Let me see if it says anything. It does. It says 2020. Let's see if you can see it there. 2020 on there. That's cute. Pink and the blue with the little stuff in there. I like that. All right. Party time. Oh man, my husband and my son are going to crack up. Maybe I'll save this for when I go back to preschool, and I'll wear it for all the kids. Maybe take a picture of all of them with that on. And then this is the little package of die cuts. And I think what I'll do is I'll show this to you quick up here, and then I'll pan down so you can get a better picture. So then there's the weekly kit. This is the monthly, and then there is some extra little bonus fun stickers, and then here's some more little New Year's stickers. So we'll go through these individually. And then some paper, and I'll just breeze through the paper real quick. There's a bunch of confetti that I'm fighting with here. All right. Move the box out of the way. So I'll just flip through those quick. Bunch of party hats. Let's see if it's double-sided. It is. Very pretty. It's kind of like some glittery. This is black with some gold glitter. And then I really like this flip side too. The white with the different colored, I don't know what you'd call those, confetti. Here's gold, and it is the same on both sides. And then this is like a tissue. vellum. That's what they call that, vellum. This looks like a big old party scene. I like that. And then on the back is just some gray stripe. And here's some gray with X's. This is a real heavy cardstock, this one. And then on the other side is some party cakes. And then here's another gold. And it's just plain. And this is a real heavy cardstock. So I'm pretty sure this isn't a sticker of any sort. I might want to... Nope, it is cardstock. So there is all the pretty paper. So I think I'll lay the pretty paper down, and I'll show you all of the stickers. Okay, I thought we would start with the little pieces here. So we have a 2020 Celebrate hat. That looks like a makeup case, or yeah, makeup case. Ooh, look at the pretty dress. That's very pretty. We have a whole bunch more of that 2020 confetti. Cupcake. False eyelashes. Eye palette. Kind of looks like a whip, but it's a blowhorn. We'll go with that. Your wine. And, oh, that's like a hair clip. Your wine glass, a wine cart, and then a big old set of balloons. So that's all that fun stuff. And there's actually more of that confetti in there as well. So I am just going to shake this off over here. I just had the white paper there to kind of help me know where to put everything. All right, next we will go with our little sticker sheets. Cheers, New Year cheer, New Year, new me, blah, blah, blah. Just all the little characters that she does. So it's kind of like a little sample one there. And those are, I call them doilies. That's what they look like to me. And then important things and must-dos, those little half circles. These are the little washi headers. And then here's some bill-do things and some more, what is that? 6 hexagon, the hexagon little things. All right, we'll put that one aside. Very soft little colors. And then here's some decorative things. Let me see, what are those? Resolution planner icons. Oh, very cute. All right, spend less, travel, learn, eat healthy, pay off debt. Those are really cute. I love them. I'll let you pause it and look at them more if you want. And then right here, let's get it centered a little bit more. All different fun things. Oh, that is cool. The days of the month. Those are neat. I really like those. That'll be fun. I'll have to check the store. You can too. I would guess... Oh, it is on here through... Oh, that's like a whole year of some fun days. So I bet this is a sampler though, because I bet she's got them for... I mean, just about every day has got some sort of little fun thing to it. So these are just 2 samplers then. So this is another one. So that's kind of cool. So now you know, I don't know if she's ever had these before, those special days. So, but now we know she does. So go check her out. And now we're going to do the monthly. And so this has got a lot of gold foiling. And then, oops, here is the washi. And I got it, I had before been getting the Erin Condren one, and I bought the Happy Planner, so I switched to Happy Planner. So now I don't have to do all the trimming and redoing, so it should be good. And then there's a bunch of gold foiled fun things to put in the monthly. And then this is the sidebar. And I like these. The one I got for last month, the sidebars were so dark. It was even hard to see with the black ink. So I like it when they're a little bit lighter like that, so I can actually write on them and see it. So that was the month at a glance one. All right, and now here is the weeklies. And I say weeklies because there's more than just 1 week's worth here. So let's see if I can, whoops, wrong way. There we go. I'm sitting on the floor. So there's your New Year's full boxes. And more of that gold foiling in there. So your weekend, a to-do box, half boxes, quarter boxes, and then here's some more full sheets too. More full sheets. And then you've got some to-do boxes or check-off boxes. So she gives you the full boxes, some half boxes, and then you also have like the flags as well. And then here's some washi, and then your day stickers there. This is all foil this time. Beautiful. And then here's just some more flags and some more decorative ones, and it's all got little glitter stuff around it and foiled. Oh, so cute. And then here's some more of those doilies, and then these I usually write in like what work I'm doing on a computer that day. And then there's some decorations and stuff like that. So this is really pretty. And it's really hard for you to see it, I think, on camera as much as in person, how you can see it. So that's a really nice, soft, subtle kit. And I haven't done anything in black for a while, so that's a nice one to have. And so yeah, that's just, oh, it's kind of like a glamour kit, definitely. So those are really cute. So this I think I might put in my purse planner. And then this one I'll leave for my daily planner that I leave home. All right, everyone. So that is my sub box from DEK Designs. And I'll leave a link below for her shop as well. So go check her out. I do pay for these boxes. So I just love them. I just love everything I've been getting in them. And I'll show at a later time what I'm actually keeping the boxes, and I'm labeling the sides with a month, and I'm keeping like this will be my New Year's box or winter box, and I'll just be keeping things in there for that. So I will show that at another time when I have them all stacked up and put where I want to put them. So thanks for watching. And if you like these kind of videos, I have more of them. I have another one to do here shortly. I hope you stay tuned, watch that, hit the notification button, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe. Happy New Year.